There's a family who has lost a son. There's a political party who has lost both a colleague and a son. And there's a country that has lost somebody who has loved it dearly. And there's also a political leader who has chosen to ridicule and mock and politicize the passing of Mviki. Thought very long about what I want to say about this, and I'm bringing it to three things that I want to say. The first thing I want to say is more of a question than it is a statement. Where's the humanity? There's a family that has lost a son. There's colleagues, there's friends who have lost somebody that was very near and dear to them. Yet this is the reaction. To talk about not touching anointed, to talk about all sorts of different things. There's somebody who has lost a life. Where is humanity in all of this? I don't understand how you can treat somebody's passing, let alone a young person's passing, as a trivial political matter. Second thing is this: if you think that the words of the leader of a political party and a minister in this country mean nothing, look at how the followers of this person react. It is mostly laughing emojis. Laughing emojis on this. The third and most disgusting part of all of this is that after uproar, after people say that, listen, this was a passing, somebody has passed away, your reaction is then to double down on it and now to talk about DA hatred and PA hatred and to politicize it even more. That is not the mark of a leader. It is disgusting. And this video is very heavy to make just because of everything surrounding it. But this had to be said and someone had to say it. So rest in peace, Mviki, and our sincerest condolences to the family and to the friends.